I will show you how to use VOX function on Retevis RT3S. First, let we go to menu items and take the VOX. Also take program radio and go to the channel. This is an analog channel. You can see there VOX. Let's we take it. And then let's write it to the radio to check if the VOX works on the radio. First, let we check. The VOX has turned on. And let's go to program radio and check the VOX level. The level now is 9. Let's we check. Hello. I need to get the radio close to my mouth, and then it will transmit. Let's change VOX level to 5, the middle level. It worked more sensitive, and we change the VOX to 1. It is more sensitive when set the VOX level to 1. When in the software you forget to take the VOX, switch the setting in the channel. You can see that the VOX does not work. Let's to learn how to turn it again and go to the radio setting. Find VOX and turn on. You can see it worked again. Thanks for watching 7.3.